Welcome, today I am with AKG Y50 and I'm going to show you how you can connect them to your iPhone. So the first, you have to focus on the right headphone. When you rotate like that, you will find this button. You have to tap on it once until it blinks like that on the blue. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode. So all we have to do, simply open the settings on your iPhone, go for Bluetooth, take a look on other devices list, and pick your AKG headphones. As you can see, right now we are connected. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.